All right, let's look at the integral domains, right? So integral domain is satisfied all conditions except for the existence of multiplicative inverse, right? So it satisfies everything else, but they might not have multiplicative inverse, right? But that condition is replaced by the following condition. If two elements A and B are non-zero, so you have non-zero element, then the product multiplication is going to be non-zero, right? So every time you multiply two non-zero element, then the product has to be non-zero. So that's the condition replacing the existence of multiplicative inverse, right? So a simple example of integral domain would be set of all integers with regular addition and the regular multiplication. All right. So as you can see that it satisfies all the conditions except for the existence of multiplicative inverse. All right. How come it doesn't have multiplicative inverse? Right. I mean, it's pretty simple, right? For example, take 2, right? You know that the 2 is definitely in the set of integers, right? Then we know that if you're looking for multiplicative inverse, right? And in a way, this inverse notation kind of works out well. So multiplicative inverse of 2 would be in the regular multiplication would be 1/2, right? Because 2 times 1/2 gives you 1, which is the multiplicative identity. All right, so we know that 1/2, but unfortunately 1/2 is not integer, so it actually does not belong to this set. Right, so that's a problem. Right, so we know that the 2 doesn't have multiplicative inverse in this case, right? But however, it satisfies the condition if you have two non-zero element, then their product is always non-zero. As we know that if you multiply non-zero non-zero two non-zero integers, then their product is of course non-zero. So you can see that it easily satisfies the new condition, right? So therefore, this is it's not a field, all right? So I guess I should write that. So it's not a field, but it is an integral domain. All right. So so that's the definition of integral domains and one simple example. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.